Hoe ziet u Brabanders?
Hoe zie ik Brabanders?
Brabant is one of the more southern provinces of the Netherlands, also the place of origin for Brabantian culture, which comes with a lot of stereotypes and ideas of what a person from the region looks like and acts. People from the region that signify these ideas are commonly referred to as Brabanders or Brabantian, and belonging to this group is a key factor when it comes to inclusivity. But what does it really mean to be a Brabander?
Wat dat betekent? Een hoop gezelligheid, een hoop gemoedelijkheid, leuke tijden, saamhorigheid, geen gemauw.
Check het. Echt dat stukje Nederland pakt, wat er allemaal heel deftig uitziet, allemaal zich heel netjes gedraagt, maar dan met carnaval helemaal gek wordt.
Oké.
For some, Brabant is strictly linked to its annual celebration of Carnival. But for many, the staple of its culture comes from something different. Most Brabanders would say that they could instantly recognize a Brabander, just from hearing them speak. So as an experiment, we set out to see if a machine could do the same. By having different people speak into a microphone, we were able to train an AI system to isolate speech elements corresponding with the Brabant dialect. Anyone can step up to the screen and after speaking the right sentence, they will find out if they truly do sound like a Brabander. With their newfound dialect score, visitors can then contribute to some Brabant-related discussions.